judges. My name is Christina. Our study is the effectiveness of AI integrated VR training application in reducing public speaking and interview anxiety. Now, let's start the introduction. Background. Anxiety is common in college students. According to World Health Organization, 4% of the population with the anxiety disorder. And in the past year, VR and AI also can resolve this problem. And motivation. Actually, to study on AI combined VR. So in order to fill this gap, the researcher hopes to improve this. And our purpose is to explore whether VR and AI can reduce the public speaking and speaking fluency through our AI integrated VR training application. And this is our research question. First, what extent do participants reduce the public speaking and interview anxiety through our AI integrated VR application? And second, do higher anxiety and lower anxiety groups differ significantly in their overall anxiety score? Third, what extent do participants improve their English after using AI integrated VR application? And last, what are participants' perception of AI integrated VR application, especially in relation to motion sickness and learning flow? And this is our literature review. We review approximately 150% studies. And we focus on artificial intelligence and virtual reality. And we study in English speaking and language learning. Now let's invite Renata to introduce the methodology.
Good afternoon, my name is Renee. Our AI integrated VR activity was conducted with AFL students. And we designed this study with 5 sessions. In the first session, participants complete a pretest, a questionnaire, and an orientation. After that, they were divided into 2 groups, experimental group with a learning flow and a control group without it. In session 2 to 4, the procedure was repeated. Experimental group did practice, learning flow, and questionnaire, while the control group only did a practice and questionnaire. Finally, in session 5, everyone completed a practice and post-test, and only with the experimental group did the learning flow. This was a quasi-experimental design. Our dependent variables were anxiety levels and English proficiency, while the independent variables was AI integrated VR. To ensure our reliability, we used Matt-Kowarski's public speaking scale, and short for PROSA, and McCarthy's interview scale, short for MESI, Cho and Yo's learning flow survey, and Tim's VR sickness scale all had alpha above 0.85. So in short, every measure we used had highly reliability. Now let's invite Andy to show us the next part.
Good afternoon, everyone. So our participants are 20 major students, and we divided them into 2 groups randomly, which is EG with learning flow and CG without learning flow, and they don't have any experience in AI integrated VR. And let's talk about treatment. So when entering our application, you will see there will be 4 different modes you can choose, and once you made your choice, you can start to communicate with AI, and there will be a timer. And when you finish, your score will show up, and they will give you some suggestions. And our VR equipment is Meta Question 2. And let's talk about data analysis. So for the first question, we use pair sample t-test, and the pair sample t-test showed that both PROSA and MESI are significantly decreased. This result implies that AI integrated VR application can provide a low pressure and realistic setting to gain confidence in high stress communication scenarios. And for the second question, we use mixed ANOVA, and in high anxiety group, they show slight decrease in PROSA and MESI. Due to high anxiety group reflecting ceiling effect, the effect is not significantly different. However, in low anxiety group, they show significantly decrease in PROSA and MESI. This result implies that this AI integrated VR training application may benefit those with lower initial anxiety. And next, Darren will finish the rest of the question and the conclusion.
And Darren, for research question 3, after using AI integrated VR or training application, what account in all participants, word account and average sentence length are significantly improved, and grammatical error and incomplete sentence decrease significantly. And you see the experimental group and control group. The word account and every sentence improve a lot, and grammatical rule in complex sentence decrease significantly. And you see the control group, their vocabulary diversity. Why will they decrease? Because they want to speak in English more fluently, so the vocabulary diversity will decrease. And for the research question 4, we use repeat measure ANOVA to test virtual reality sickness. With our type is oculometer and disorientation pre-test to post-test. You can see the mean score is a slightly decrease. And the question about learning flow on experimental group, the variable have the 3: interest, attention, and control. And as you can see, interest and attention remain stable, and control increase significantly because the real-time AI feedback. And the conclusion is AI integrate VR oral training application can reduce anxiety and improve fluency and grammar and boost the confidence. And our limitation is sample size only 20 participants and short 6-minute sessions and low diversity and limited generalizability. And our suggestion is larger samples and focus in vocabulary in the future. And this is our photo report. Thank you.